All right, welcome to an exciting new edition of Feeling the Spirit. We are going to be making a cocktail, and of course, we like bourbon. Todd's with me, I'm Tim, and we're going to be making an old-fashioned. And before you guys freak out, yeah, we're going to use Blanton's because I don't care. We want to use good bourbon in our old-fashions. Now, we are not cocktail mixologists or anything like that, but a good old-fashioned is delicious. So, we are going to start with a couple sugar cubes. These are like mini sugar cubes, so we're going to put 2 of them in there. You want more? 4. You want 4 sugar cubes. All right. Todd's got a sweet tooth. All right, the next thing you need is bitters. So we're going to use orange and aromatic Angostura bitters. And we're going to put a couple dashes. 1, 2, about that, 2.5. Perfect. 2.5. A little bit of orange bitters. All right, now this is the key part right here. Take your muddler and make some sugar mud out of that. And you just want to grind and wiggle. Grind.
Don't forget the wiggle.
And wiggle. Grind and wiggle. Just like that. Alright, come get a close-up of this. Because you want this like that slurry in there. Just look at that.
A little mess.
Good.
A little mess of sugar.
Alright, and this is going to be all sugar in here. You know how when you eat a bowl of Cheerios and you dumped a bunch of sugar on it and you get down to the bottom?
And the milk that's left over?
Yeah, that sugar milk that's at the bottom of it.
You just drink the rest of that?
Yeah, that's what you're looking for, but it's bitters milk in there. Good little slurry. All right, that should be pretty good.
Perfect.
Then you want about 2 ounces of the best bourbon that you have in your house. Not really, it can be whatever. But we're gonna use Blanton's today. So,
yeah, a little bit more
2
than 2
ounces.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit more. Yeah.
2 ounces. That was 2. 1, 2.
Just a bit more for good measure. Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
And then you can get the biggest cube you can get. Set it in there. Make a mess. Set it in there. And now you want to just stir this to get it cold. And kind of mix that sugar in. This is your super sugar one. I don't know how those guys do that. They're like, oh,
super fast.
I can't do it. But
we're not that good.
Just get it, splash it around. It's basically just a way to sweeten up your bourbon. Now, if you want to get really fancy, get like an orange peel, smear it on there, smear it around, but we're drinking at home.
Oh yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
The Blanton's makes it.
It does make it. That is pretty good. That's a good old fashioned. Cheers. All right. See you next time.